It wasn't a good start at the courtroom this morning with the bar, mainly the intervenors' lawyers and the five-man bench in dispute. Lawyer for Douglas Tomuriesa, Sheppard, was asked to start on what's before the court this morning, and he began informing the bench he received an application for objection to competency from the Attorney General only yesterday afternoon at 1:30 p.m. He was responding to it when he was interjected by Justice Gavara-Nanu that the High Court has not reached that stage yet. Chief Justice Gibbs also intervened and said the court was sitting to determine the issue of legal standing. He told the court there is no objection to competency before the court right now. Though lawyer for the Attorney General informed the court his client filed the case yesterday, the bench said they did not comply with time. The Chief Justice emphasized that it was a completely different constituted court and the courts have a duty to control the proceeding. Gibbs said what's before the court is the issue of standing by Douglas Tomuriesa. Lawyer Sheppard was allowed to proceed with his arguments. He told the bench Mr. Tomuriesa has authority from the opposition, is a citizen and was duly elected. He has brought important constitutional matters, but lawyers for the Speaker and the Attorney General opposed the arguments, saying the matters were trivial and Mr. Tomuriesa has not raised any significant constitutional issues. They also argued Parliament processes have to be exhausted before coming to court. The intervenors did not dispute that Mr. Tomuriesa was opposition leader. As they tried to substantiate the arguments with further details, they were constantly reminded to stick to the matter. They should argue why Tomuriesa has no standing rather than expounding on the merits. The five-man bench would make a ruling on standing by Tomuriesa tomorrow, and the lawyer for the Attorney General says they will still file on the objection to competency when the time is right. It looks like if leave is granted, they would immediately object to the reference. Elias Nanau, NBC National News, Port Moresby.